Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with PayPal for business payments, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the PayPal website using your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, look for the sign up button in the upper right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You'll be presented with two account options, personal or business. Select the business account option to create a business profile. Next, click the Next button to continue. You will be asked to enter your email address and create a password. Input your email address in the designated field. Then, create a secure password that meets the required criteria. Once both fields are filled, click Continue. On the next page, provide your business information. Enter the legal business name as registered with your local authorities. Next, select the type of business entity you operate. Choose from options like sole proprietorship, corporation, or partnership. After that, fill in your business address and contact information. Make sure all details are accurate and up to date. Click Continue to move forward. Now, you'll need to provide additional information about your business activities. Describe your primary business activities in a few words. Then, indicate the estimated monthly sales volume. This helps PayPal tailor your account features. Click Continue after completing these fields. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your bank account. Input your bank details, ensuring the information is precise. This step is crucial for transferring funds in and out of your PayPal account. After entering the required bank information, click Agree and create account. Now, you may need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from PayPal. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once verified, return to the PayPal site to log in to your new business account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.